Okay, today is 12/3, Wednesday, and tonight your homework goes back to solving inequalities. And these inequalities that I'm giving you tonight have both distributing with the parentheses and combining like terms. Okay, so here we go. Number one. Our problem is 2x plus 5 plus 3x is less than 20. Okay, copy the problem down. You'll turn the video off. You'll do the problem. And you'll turn it back on to check. Okay, here we go. Combining like terms. 2x plus 3x is 5x. Notice how I bring that down. This I can't combine with anything, so I'm just going to bring it right down here next to the 5x, and it's a positive 5, so plus 5. Okay, bring my inequality sign down and bring my 20 down. Now I'm trying to get the x by itself. I always get rid of addition and subtraction first. So to get rid of that, I subtract 5 on both sides of the inequality sign. 20 take away 5 is 15. And I still have a 5x here. 5 times x, the opposite of multiplying 5 times x is to divide. So to get rid of that 5, I divide by 5. And that's going to give me x is less than 3. I need to graph that. 1, 2, 3. So we have a 3, we have a 4, and we have a 2. And when the pointing part is facing the variable, it's less than. X is less than 3, facing to the left. Number 2. This time you're going to have to use distributing and combining like terms, I believe. 3 times the quantity, x plus 2. You should be writing this down now. Plus x is greater than or equal to 6. Okay, make sure you have the problem copied down properly. Turn the video off. I'm so, excuse me so much. And then turn the video back on and see if you did it correctly. Okay, here we go. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus x. That's the x that I got from here, greater than or equal to 6. Okay, I see that I have some like terms here that I can combine. 3x plus 1x is 4x, plus 6 is greater than or equal to 6. Okay, I'm trying to get the x by itself. First thing I need to do is get rid of addition and subtraction, so I'm going to subtract 6 here and subtract 6 here. 6 take away 6 is 0. 4x. Okay, the opposite of multiplying is divide, so divide on both sides. Okay, 4x divided by 4 is just x. And over here, 0 divided by 4 is 0. We'll make a number line. I'm going to shrink all this for a second. One, 2, 3. So here's 0, here's -1, and here's +1. X is greater than or equal to 0. Greater than. Lovely shading, huh? There we go. Number 3. Don't forget to number your paper here. 5 times, whoops, that is not correct. 5 plus 2 times the quantity, x minus 3, is greater than or equal to 10. Copy the problem down, do the problem, and then turn the video on and check. Alright, first we have to distribute. We'll bring the 5 down because we know that we're not going to do anything with it. Here we go. 2 times x is 2x. Here we go. 2 times -3 is -6. Greater than or equal to 10. Okay, combine like terms. These are my like terms. 5 and -6 is -1. So this is going to end up to be 2x. It didn't go anywhere. Minus 1 is greater than or equal to 10. I need to get x by itself. Always get rid of addition and subtraction first. The opposite of subtraction is addition, so I'm going to add 1 here and add 1 here. It's going to give me 11. 2x is greater than or equal to 11. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. X is greater than or equal to 5.5. I'll shrink my screen here so I can do my number line. Okay, so there we go. So if we have 5.5 here, we could put 6 here, and we could put 5 here. Greater than or equal. Number 4. This is the last one. This one has multiple instances of combining like terms and distributing. So 3x plus 2 times the quantity x minus 6 plus 4 is less than or equal to 48. All right. Turn the video off until you've done the whole problem and you're checking yourself. Okay, I'm going to bring down my 3x here before I distribute. So here we go. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. I still have a plus 4 up there. And I still have less than or equal to 48. Okay, I have 2 sets of like terms. I have these two. And then I have this and this. I'll start with these two here. 3x and 2x happens to be 5x. And now I can do these two. Negative 12 and positive 4 is negative 8. And still less than or equal to 48. I'm trying to get the x by itself. To do that, I first am going to get rid of the 8 by adding 8 to both sides. 48 plus 8 is what, 54? Wait, 48 and 950, is it? 56. A little mind block there. Now I have to divide by 5 on both sides, and x is less than or equal to, let's see, 5 times 11 is 55, so we're going 5 times with 1/5 left over. Now we're going to have to shrink the screen for the number line. Whoopsies. And 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go 5 and a fifth here. I'll go 5 and 2/5 here. And I'll go 5 here. Okay? So now it says x is less than or equal to, so less than or equal to. All done.